Alright guys, here we go. 15-16 Excalibur 5-box random teams number 40. Here's your teams. Congratulations again to Upshot Hip Hop and Unknown 409. They each won a spot in a case of 15-16 Immaculate from Joan and this. Let's get a kaboom, amen. Or two, get two kabooms. I'd be happy just getting one out of this stuff. Just gonna go one at a time, man. Feel it. Scoring Soren's brother Goran Dragic. Number 249 for the Heat. Gonna be our first hit. One Dazzler with the Heat. And a Dr. J Purple Crusade number to 60 for the Sixers. Charles Payette 57 to 60. Rookie Rampage Pat Connaughton for the Blazers. And C. Duran auto jersey. Blake Griffin Gold 12 out of 25. B.B. Jones in an Eclipse Show. Carmelo Anthony jersey, the Knicks. D-Wig 22. A 4-hit box here. Jarrell Martin for the Grizzlies. Rookie Rampage. P. Dizzo 808. The Grizzles. DeAndre Jordan for the Clippers, red. KAT rookie. Nicholas Batum for the Hornets, Blue Crusade. And that's box 1. Box 2. Steph Curry, Blue Crusade, the Warriors. And 1977. Gary Harris for the Nuggets, autographed to 299. Andy Matthews. CJ McCollum, purple for the Blazers, number to 60. 50 of 60. C. Durant. Brooke Lopez, Blue Crusade, Brooklyn. Carmelo Anthony, the Knicks, Red Crusade. Stanley Johnson autograph for the Pistons out of 199 for YBJ. Isaiah Thomas, Red Crusade. And a John Wall jersey for the Wizards, J. Will 417. This box dose. Dennis Rodman, Red Crusade, the Bulls. For the Wizards, Otto Porter autograph to 299. J. Will. John Wall, Wizards. John Wall jersey again, the Wizards. Wizards are on a roll here. Red jersey this time. Last one was a white jersey. Ryan Curtis's face. John Wall blue one. Wizards. Again. Jerry Grant patch auto for the Knicks, 16 to 25. D Week 22. And Reggie Jackson for the Pistons, red. Julius Randle for the Lakers, red. Box 3 is done. Box 4. Nerlens Noel for the Sixers, Charles Payette. Joe Johnson for the Heat, Blue Crusade. Bjelica, Red Crusade rookie, the T-Wolves. Calvin Murphy for the Rockets, number to 149. Jaybird. Gordon Hayward, Blue Crusade, the Jazz. And Bjelica for the T-Wolves, rookie Rampage. Jason H. Fractor. Numbered at a 70, Vince Carter for the Grizzlies. Jarrell Martin, second one of the break for the Grizzlies. Jumbo Jersey Auto, P. Dizzo 808. Rampage style. And a Steph Curry 15 of 70. Warriors. The last box. Tyus Jones for the T-Wolves, number to 199. Jason H. Fractor. Rudy Gay to 70 for the Kings. Kyle Lowry for the Raptors, purple to 60. Macho H. 36 to 60. Don Nelson for the Celtics, autograph to 234 for one Dazzler. Draymond Green, Warriors, Crusade. Fareed, red for the Nuggets. Ryan Anderson for the Pelicans to 225. Unknown 409, Steven with Pelicans. Russell Westbrook Jam Fest to 70, Thunder. And the last pack of the break. Russell Westbrook jersey for the Thunder. And 1977. That's it. Give me a quick recap here. All the stuff. Westbrook to 70, Lowry to 60, Rudy Gay to 70, Curry to 70, Carter to 70, McCollum 60, Steph Curry blue, Batum to 70, Griffin to 25, Dr. J to 60. So we got here Goran Dragic, Ryan Anderson, Don Nelson, Tyus Jones, Calvin Murphy, Otto Porter, Stanley Johnson, Gary Harris, Westbrook, Jarrell Martin, Bjelica, Nerlens Noel, John Wall, Jarrell Martin again, Carmelo Anthony, Pat Connaughton, and a patch out of the 25 of Jerry Grant. There you go. That's it, guys. I think there's 5 boxes left in the case, and then it'll be dusted. Till next time, peace.